Here's how to fix apps if they've disappeared on your Samsung phone. Now, I have an Android Samsung Galaxy, and if you have apps that have disappeared or you can't find them, I'll show you how to get them back. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's say Facebook here. I'm going to tap and hold on it, and then just hit remove, and you'll be able to see it no longer shows up on my home screen, but essentially I can always just get it back just by swiping up and finding it in the app drawer. So I can just swipe over or hit the search button to search for that specific app. And there is Facebook. Just tap and hold on it and hit add to home. From here, all I need to do is tap and hold again and drag it down to where it was before. However, there could be an instance where it doesn't show up at all. You know that it's installed on your phone, but it's not showing up. In that instance, we're going to swipe up from here and tap on your settings instead. Now, once you're in your settings, all we'll do is scroll down and you're going to look for the option for home screen and tap on that. Now, within your home screen, all you need to do is scroll down because you could see an option that says hide apps on home and app screens. Just tap on that. And it could be that potentially Facebook is suggested or selected in this case. Let's hit done. And if I hop out of here, Facebook won't show up here. And if I swipe up, Facebook won't show up here either. So essentially you need to go into your settings, go to the hide apps and make sure you've removed any hidden apps from here. And then you'll be able to re-add them to your home screen. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.